how to carrier unlock eSIM on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, launch the settings application on your device. Here tap on general and then tap on the about option you see there. Now, scroll down and you will see the option for carrier lock. So go ahead and if it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is already unlocked. However, if it shows a carrier restriction, then you can simply contact the carrier provider and say that the iPhone is locked and you can request them to unlock the carrier. Now, you will be required to complete requirements the carrier has, such as paying off the device or completing the required service period. Simply, you can then go ahead and wait for the carrier to confirm that the unlock has been applied. Once your iPhone is unlocked, go to settings again and then tap on the cellular option you see there. Further scroll down and you will see the option for add eSIM. So tap on the add eSIM option you see there and then go ahead and scan your new carrier's QR code or use the carrier's eSIM activation method. You will then be required to simply follow the on-screen instructions provided by Apple in order to activate your eSIM. If you want to transfer from nearby phone, you can tap on it, or if you have the QR code, simply scan the QR code and the SIM will be activated. So this was about how you can carrier unlock eSIM on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.